Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the background for your live streaming in OBS Studio software. And to start with, you're going to open your scene, select for example this scene 1 and scene 2. Then your scene 1 is that you are showing your own video capture here. You can, as I had said before, you can enlarge it, you can reduce it or change it the location anywhere in your screen or in your scene. And then you're going to add the background here because this is just a black one. So you click plus sign here and then look for the if you want to change the background, you will look for the image here like this one, and then you just name it whatever you want, but I just leave it image. Okay, click OK and then browse. Then after you browse, you look for any image in your files like this one, image formats, or in your download files. Pictures, you can choose any pictures here like this one. You want to use this any picture like this, open it, and then this is what you want. You can change it, or you can click OK, and this will be now your background. And you can resize it, or by just right clicking it and then transform, click transform and fit to screen like this, or stretch to screen. You can do that. But if it is not fitting the screen, transform it and then stretch to screen like that one. So nawala na si host, nasa nagpunta si host. That's the reason why I was overshadowed by the image, is that the image is in top of the sources. If you want to show up your image or your picture, you just drag your video capture device on top of the image like this one. Yeah, and then voila, your picture is over the top of the screen. And if you want to locate your picture in between or here, you can do so like this one. And then that's how you change the background. That is a simple way to change your background. And if you want your background of your image here to change like this one, you want to change it and it will blend with the background, you just click your picture here or your video capture and then right click, look for filters like this. Yan, effect filters, look for the filters here, click the plus sign like this and then look for chroma key here. After chroma key, OK, and then you just choose what color of your what is the color of your background. Usually we need the green color, blue, magenta, or custom background. Then if you select custom key, click your select color here and then choose what color of your background is, like white and here this is my background, mix of white and yellow. like this one. Yeah, okay. And then you can see that the color was changed already. When you move the slider here to show up your picture. Yeah. So this time your picture will be, you will be change, you will change the background, but since I have a different color, it cannot blend with the background. So the best thing is you use a blue color, but for just for trying, we will change it. Very hard to change the color. Maybe we have to change again here. Select color, choose white only. Yeah, and then okay. And maybe we can change it better, like this one. And also, the changing the background depends also with the light. Lighted background will give a good result. Okay. And also the color of your clothes has also something to do with it. And then if it is okay with you, you can click it close. Then you can see here my background is blending with the color of the flower. Yeah, here or here. So it is not perfect because of the background color is just white. If you can use a blue or green background, it would be better. Okay, that's all. And then after you change your background, you can now go live by clicking the start streaming here. This one, start streaming, and then go to the or before you start streaming, go to the YouTube, open another YouTube window, then click your icon, your channel, click your channel, then click this plus sign, and then go live. If you will go live directly to YouTube, you just publish it. But since this is just a tutorial, I will unlisted it, not public. Something went wrong. Yeah, because there another one. Yeah, you will not choose your webcam here. That's why it says something went wrong. You change it to stream, and then after changing it to stream, you edit your details, edit the stream, and change the title here. You can change it. Like for example, the title is how to use OBS Studio for changing the background. Yeah, that's it. And live stream. Okay, after changing the stream, if you want to go to live stream right away, you will not change the public here. But since this is a tutorial, I will unlisted it, so no one can view here, or no one can go come inside to my live stream that I'm going to make. So this is how you are going to do a tutorial, and then you can change your thumbnail here. If you can have some thumbnail ready, you can change your thumbnail. Let's say, for example, you want the background you use, so you use here your thumbnail, and then add some pictures later or text later. No, it's not for feeds. Then save. Then after this, copy the stream key here, like this one. You want to see it, then copy the stream, click copy, then go back to your OBS software here, and click the start streaming here. Ayan. Could not access the status right hand stream key. Ayan. Double check your stream key. Okay, because we did not settings or change the setting of the stream key. Click the settings here, and then look for the stream here in the right side with letter A, stream, and then stream key. You change the stream key, and then you Control V or paste what you have copied in your stream in the YouTube studio or in the YouTube room, whitey room, and then show. Maybe it's okay, you can show it. Yeah, same my stream key with what you have copied, apply, and then okay, and then start streaming. Now when you click start streaming, the green color will show up here, and you can minimize it to see whether it is streaming correctly in your YouTube. Here, live streaming. Then you can see here, excellent connection. If you can see an excellent connection here, it is streaming correctly. Yeah, that is the way how you stream. Okay, and then use this will show up if you want to make your picture bigger. That's it. And then if you want to show your stream, you can select the quick transition here, plus you want to cut or fade, you can choose whether fade to black, cut, or fade. Yeah, if you want to fade or cut, you can click it, and then transition is cut here. You want to choose fade, yeah, here. So your picture will show up on your screen now. If you go back here, your picture will show up now here, like this one. Okay, this is how you stream. You can see here my picture. So that is how you can change your background. So remember to use green or blue screen background to better get the benefit of the chroma key. And then after that, you are now streaming right now. Please check the video resolution. Yan. So you can change it if you want to maximize your video resolution. So that's it, guys. And if you publish it publicly, your views or your viewers will show up here in this area, and then you can chat here welcome to my premiere, and thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Yeah, so this will show up in your screen. And that's it guys, and after you finish the stream, you just go back or you just end stream here, click end stream, and then are you sure want to end the stream? And yes, and then it will show that it is stream finished, and then you got how many watts are you got. 2 minutes. Dismiss. If you want to dismiss it and do not edit anymore in the studio. But if you want to edit more, you can edit it in the studio. After that, when you click start streaming, the green OBS software will show up here, and then you can see and you can minimize streaming to see whether it is streaming correctly. This will stop now the stream and then stop recording. Since I am recording right now, I will stop. Then you can see here that, and you are just excellent connection. You can see an excellent connection here. The stop record. It is streaming correctly. Yeah, that is the way how you stream. Okay, and then this will show up. You want to make your picture bigger. That's it. And then if you want to show your stream, you can select the quick transition here. Plus, if you want to cut or fade, you can choose whether fade to black, cut or fade. Yeah, if you want to fade or cut, you can click it. Then transition is cut here. You want to choose fade, yeah, here. So your picture will show up on your screen now. If you go back here, your picture will show up now here, like this one. Okay, this is how you stream. You can see here my picture. So that is how you can change your background. So remember to use green or blue screen background to better get the benefit of the chroma key. And then after that, you are now streaming right now. Please check the video resolution. Yeah. So you can change it if you want to maximize your video resolution. So that's it guys, and if you publish it publicly, your views or your viewers will show up here in this area, and then you can chat here. Welcome to my premiere, and thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Show up in your screen. And that's it guys, and after you finish the stream, you just go back or you just end stream here, click end stream, and then are you sure want to end your stream? And yes, and then